Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11th CBSE Maths sets miscellaneous exercise number 1. Now the question is, decide among the following sets which sets are subsets of one and another. So we need to find which are the subsets. Here A is equal to x such that x belongs to R and x satisfies the equation x square minus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. It is in the set builder form. It is better to write in a roster form to find the subsets. For that, here it is in a quadratic equation, so we can do splitting the middle term to find the terms. This is the product, so I am going to split it to get minus 8. 6 2s are 12, minus minus will become, if I multiply this 2 I get plus 12, and if I solve or addition I get minus 8. I'll tell you one easy thing for splitting the middle term. Just add x before the numbers. If you add x before it, it becomes x minus 6. Here it becomes x minus 2. If I put this is equal to 0, this term equal to 0, I get x is equal to 6, because x minus 6 is equal to 0, x goes to the 6 goes to that side and becomes x is equal to 6. Here is also x minus 2 equal to 0, x will become 2. So these are the two numbers, two elements of x. So a will be equal to 6 and 2, or 2 or 6, whatever the thing is. Now first we will take a. Subset means, you know, the first set should be there in the second one. The first set, elements of the set should be there in the second one. We know that these two numbers are here in B. So A is a subset of B. Now 6 2 is there in C. So A is a subset of C, because 2 and 6 are there in C. Now we'll move on to D. Only 6 is there, 2 is not there, so it is not, A is not a subset of C, because both the elements should be there in the set. So A is not a subset of D, we can leave that. We'll move on to B. Now see, 2 4 6 is there in only in C. It is not in A, it is not in D, it is there in C. So B is a subset of C. Now we'll move on to C. The set C, it is 2 4 6 8 even numbers. It is not there in any of the set. That is, all the elements should be there in the set. As only 2 4 6 is here, it is not a subset of this. Only 6 is here, it is not a subset. Only 6 and 2 is here, so it is not a, C does not have a subset of this number. We'll move on to D. In D, 6 is there in A, so D is a subset of A. 6 is there in B, so D is a subset of B. 6 is there in C, so D is a subset of C. So that's all. We have connected everything. We have found the subsets. That's all with the sum. Thank you.